Morning everyone, John here with azWHOLEistic in the CBD studio and dispensary. Wanted to talk briefly today a little bit about neuroinflammation. It seems like we have this neuroinflammation epidemic in America as more and more people come into the store or reach out to us online or through emails. A lot of people are dealing with neurological stress. So I wanted to talk briefly about this to help educate people about some of the things that we've learned recently through some of the pros out there, some of the cannabinoid research scientists. So let's start with microglia. Microglia is an immune cell in the brain which is attacked by astrocytes. These little astrocytes are star-shaped and they get into the brain from environmental sources and cause neuroinflammation. So our cells are made up of organelles, and all of these organelles are made up of membranes. Membranes function with both electrical and chemical balance. When you take phyto-cannabinoid rich nutrients like CBD, you're assisting your body's natural ability to pool up or increase the production of things like anandamide, which is a bliss molecule, as well as a family of glutathione molecules. Now, the increase in glutathione influences three things specifically: reactive oxygen species, which is basically antioxidants, detoxification, and protein repair. Additionally, CBD helps to turn down genes that are pro-inflammatory. Okay? Genes can be influenced by inflammatory processes like EMF stress, peroxynitrites, and other VOCs like air pollution. So this gene transcription modification, so to speak, is vital to our health, and CBD works in concert with that. So epigenetics in membranes are fascinating to study if you just do a little bit of research on them. After all, it's how the body works. And some of the best education that you can get about phospholipids is Bruce Lipton's work. I've been a fan of Bruce Lipton now for about 22 years. I first read his book, The Biology Belief, a long time ago, and I've been since watching a lot of his lectures on YouTube. I recommend you people reach out and look at Bruce Lipton's work. He is a genius. Now, Bruce was on the team, the cellular biologist team, who proved that the cell does not die when you remove the nucleus. The intelligence or the brain within the cell, and we have trillions of cells in our body, is the nucleus. And it was believed to be the case for generations that the nucleus was like the brain in our body. We cannot remove the brain from the human body or we will die. And so they thought that that was analogous to this case, but it was not. So Bruce proved otherwise. The nucleus is just the vault or the library that holds and stores all of the potential that your genes offer. But it's the membrane that reads the environment, which is, our environment is our energy, right? Which includes our thoughts, both conscious and subconscious thoughts, nutrients, and any toxins that may be present within our system. Remember, we're both chemical and electrical beings, so the charge within the membrane is also a factor in our health. And a lot of people's charge is very low. So the membrane decides what is needed based on the condition. So if we do not have the resources within our body to stop this aberrant condition, whatever it may be, it goes on without interruption. That's why I always say to my customers, we need to remove the condition that's causing the problem in order to let the body heal. With CBD, we're simply providing another natural phytonutrient to the mix that will allow these membranes to have the resources they need to reduce neuroinflammation, lowering anxiety. There's inflammation in the brain that can cause problems in the stomach. The stomach and the brain are intrinsically linked, okay? So whether we're lowering anxiety or help to heal that particular condition or lower or reduce pain, CBD works to influence that. So to simplify, it's vital to feed our cells the stuff they need to function. We need healthy phospholipids and we need quality proteins in our body. When cells are not fed right, they become damaged and they cannot function optimally. This is why CBD works so well for most people. But for some people, CBD doesn't work at low dosages. They need higher dosages. It just means that your cells are not fully functioning. Okay? So hopefully this helps you guys. Do some more research. Look up Bruce Lipton's work. You will be amazed with it, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks so much.